Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting a FaceTime link from the iPhone user. This is the gateway. Once you have the link, open it in Chrome or Edge on your Android device and accept camera and microphone permissions when prompted. Make sure your browser is updated because older versions can block media streams. Also, verify your network. Wi-Fi with low latency or 5G gives the smoothest call. Now tap the link and join the waiting room. You're live ready. Once you join, type a clear display name so the iPhone participant recognizes you. This matters in group calls. Then check the on-screen controls. Mute or unmute your mic and enable or disable the camera. If audio echoes, switch to headphones. This fixes feedback fast. For better framing, rotate to landscape for a 16:9 aspect ratio and use the browser's camera settings to adjust exposure or brightness if faces look dark. To finish, press the red hang-up control and wait a moment for the session to close. Abrupt app kills can leave media streams stuck. If you lose audio or video, refresh the tab first, then clear site permissions or browsing data for that site if problems persist. If that fails, restart the browser or try a different one. Finally, request a new FaceTime link from the iPhone user. Links sometimes expire or fail. This often resolves stubborn connection or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.